first you're gonna put in your mixer 1 cup butter. Then you will add 2 cups of sugar. Then you will mix that up. Add 4 eggs. I have 4 eggs in this bowl. Now mix that part up. Next, you're gonna add 2 teaspoons of baking soda, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1 teaspoon salt. Then you're gonna mix that up. While that is mixing up, preheat your oven to 325. Now you're gonna add 4 cups of flour. Next and final step is the most important step. Add 6 bananas. The next step and the final step before the baking process is to pour your batter. Your batter should look like this when it's done. It might have some clumps, but that's okay. Now you're gonna put your batter in prepared baking bread pans. Okay, when they are done, you'll put them in the oven, your preheated oven, for 1 hour and at 325. Remember, as always, make sure you like and subscribe. Thank you. Stay tuned to the after. My banana bread just got out of the oven. Here's what it looks like. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and I hope you make this recipe sometime.